Hello. In front of me I've got my MiVue J30 dashcam. In this video I'll describe to you how to attach the camera to front windshield. Firstly, deeply clean the front windshield, degrease it and dry it. Now, use this fabric, peel this part and attach it to front windshield. Now, peel this fabric and simply attach it like this. Thanks to this connection, you'll be sure that the camera won't fall off. And that's basically it. Also, we've got the spare two fabrics for camera and for windshield. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.